Hi, this is Jony's weekly bike repair. Today we're going to be making valve caps out of dice. So it looks actually really cool. We'll show you a picture after. But right now just get started. So right now we're drilling a hole into the dice for the valve cap to fit in. Make sure you get a big enough drill bit to fit the valve cap, and then just like clear away the excess if there is any. Maybe blow it in away the stuff, and then judge what you need to do from there. This is what the dice looks like with the valve cap in after.